I'm not sure if anyone's gonna need this, but I'm gonna show you how to change these bulbs over to LED, so you never have to worry about them again. All right, so we got two wires going to the ballast here. We've got a gray and a brown. That's our hot wires. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect these and get them out of the way so we don't have to work on anything else while it's live. So, pretty sure the gray is the neutral on this. Okay, so that's out of the way. Now we just gotta rip out this ballast. What I like to do is cut my wires here because I am going to use a set of these and I want them as long as possible. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use yet. So I'm going to cut my blues and my reds that are going to each side. And then I've got a special screwdriver. And so now I've got a screwdriver that will take these nuts out. It's a really weird size. It's like 7/16 or something weird. Take this one down. That's out. Take this one out of the way. Okay, ballast out, just kind of cleans up the area. So today I am going to be using a Satco LED bypass bulb here. You can pick these up online. Satco is a pretty good brand. I have a lot of luck with them. They're really easy to install. So you'll see here on this side, we've got an L and an N. And then on the other side here, you've got basically nothing. It does say N there. But I don't think you even need to hook that up. I think you just need to hook up one side. So yeah, you've got two different options. So you've got an option where you hook line voltage up on one side and then the neutral on the other side, or you have an option where you just disconnect nothing. The difference is if you have sockets that are where you only have one wire going to the socket, you're going to need to use this wire. Or if you have two individual wires going to each different side of the socket like I have here, you just have to hook up one side. So I'm going to be using the red wires because they're going to reach over to these hot ones really easily. So I'm just going to strip a tiny bit because I'm going to end up wire nutting these things in here. I don't need a whole lot. And then I'm going to sort the wires based on the socket. I'll show you here now. So you can see what I'm talking about here with the two different sides of the socket. So I'm going to make my right one the neutral and my left one the hot one. Alright, so here goes my hot wire. This is a ridiculously oversized wire nut, but it's fine. It feels like it's working really well. And then my neutral wire is going to go here. This is all live right now, by the way. I feel very confident in doing this. I've done it a bunch of times, but you could turn the power off. And now before I put everything in, I'm going to test the bulb. But before I do that, one more thing, as Jackie's uncle would say, if you ever watch Jackie Chan's Adventures. I'm going to put a little bit of tape on the ends of these wires. I'm not 100% sure, but it can't hurt to just tape off the ends in case something were to touch here, which, you know, I don't know if voltage is going to pass through the other side. I think it's possible. So just to be on the safe side, we'll go ahead and tape those, and I'm going to twist them around a little bit and probably shove them up here so they're out of the way. And now I can grab my bulb, and I'm going to look at the side that has the writing on it. It is this side, so I actually did it correct because there is a right and a wrong way to put these bulbs. One side has a strip on it that you don't want to be showing on the bottom. I always try to get one side in first, and you can't see it. Okay, so it's working. So we did it right. So now we're just going to take it down and put everything in the box, and we'll be good to go. So one thing you can do with these wires is sort of bunch them up. And I've got this ground wire here And I can tuck them under. And these ones, I'm just gonna push them up. Try to get them out of the way. And now I've got my cover to put back. This is gonna slide on down here. And just clips in place. Okay, it's all the way clipped in. Now, this is the white strip that I was talking about on the bulb. You don't want that facing down because then you'll reduce the amount of light that you're gonna get. Oh. There you have it. It's a super easy project. If you got old fluorescent light fixtures and you want to upgrade them to LED, you can do this, or you can replace the ballast and go back with some ballast-friendly LEDs. But if you're going to be in there replacing the ballast, you might as well just get rid of it. So hit the follow button, double tap the screen to like the video, or subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. And as always, thanks for watching.